In Revit MEP, you might experience display issues when you have duct overlapping other duct or objects within your MEP model. In this example, I have a very densely populated mechanical space with duct overlapping duct and light fixtures and terminals, as well as intersecting pipe runs. And as you can see, the MEP hidden line style is displaying properly when I have duct overlapping duct. Now this setting is found in the mechanical settings dialog, which can be launched from any of the panels on the mechanical panels of the Home tab. You'll notice inside the mechanical settings dialog here I can switch to the hidden line display branch, and you'll notice that the line style is using MEP hidden, as well as the gaps are associated here for overlapping elements. So when you go in here and set your settings properly, it should display correctly, but it doesn't display correctly all the time. I also have a 3D view here which shows the complexity of the layout, and as you can see, there are some display issues. For instance, when I zoom in my plan here, you'll notice that I have a drop on my return run of my duct, and it's overlapping a light fixture. Over here I also have an issue where I have a drop in my supply line over the return duct, not displaying properly. So one of the things we can do to rectify this issue is utilize the line work tool found on the Modify tab. So what I want to do here is I want to modify the rise location here to kind of exaggerate this issue that we're having with overlapping objects. So I'll just select this duct run here, and I'll just justify it over to the left a little bit, and then I'll go into 3D view and pick the riser, and in the plan view use my nudge tools to nudge it into place to kind of center it on the light, just to exaggerate the issue. And as you can see, the light fixture displays properly on either side of the drop, but where the drop occurs I can't see the light fixture. So if I switch my view to wireframe mode, I can see the wireframe of the light fixture. Then I can go to the Modify tab and select the line work tool and change my line style to MEP hidden. Now once I select the MEP hidden line style, I can come into the view and select the line which is not displaying properly on my light fixture. And if I switch back to the hidden display, you'll see that now it displays properly. Now over here I have a situation where I have a branch duct which is feeding an air terminal off to the side that comes in low on my supply line, and as you can see here in my 3D view I have a bevel tap tapping to the bottom of the supply run, but my tap is not displaying in my plan view. And once again, in order to show that bevel tap properly, I'll switch my view to wireframe, and then I'll go back to my line work command, and then I'll pick the line work associated with the bevel tap. And then when I go back to hidden line display, you'll see that it displays properly. So wherever you have this issue, you have to go and use the line work tool to rectify the problem, or else it won't display properly. Kind of a little bug in Revit MEP display options. So again, here I got to go to wireframe and then select my line work tool and modify the elbow connection to the main feeding off this elbow here. And once I select that line work command, I can go select this line on the elbow and then switch back to hidden line to get the display properly through that particular drop on that supply line. So this is one of the ways you can go and rectify display issues with hidden elements which are overlapped by duct and pipe and so forth.